There is tremendous power in controlling the focus of your mind. There is no capability difference between you and someone you consider to be an ultimate role model of success. The only difference is they've learned to use their mind and body with more power on a consistent basis. They've learned to manage their state, they've learned to use their body effectively, and they've learned to control their mental focus. Whatever we concentrate our focus on consistently and strive to learn from and make new distinctions about, we will get great at. I don't care what it is, if you focus on it daily and you strive to be better, you're gonna make little distinctions that'll make you more and more effective every single day. So you better decide what you wanna focus on in your life and what you wanna experience on a daily basis, because that's where your power is gonna come from. That's where your power is gonna emit from. That's the genesis of your power. And you gotta remember, whatever you focus on is what you get.
You're gonna get distracted from your goals, and all these things, arrows are gonna come at you all the time. Whatever your goal is, you have to get there. Even though people are gonna say you can't do it, even though people are gonna throw different opportunities, you know, I'm sure your friends went out 1,000,000 times to happy hour when you just stayed late when you were starting your business. Those are the distractions that come at you. But to get to your goal, you can't go to happy hour every night. You have to return emails, and you have to check the manufacturer, and you have to check the inventory, and you have to make sales calls.
One of the things that you're going to have to become great at is letting all of the noise drift away into nothing and getting into laser focus on that thing you're working on.
You really got to stay in the woodshed and constantly be on it, perfecting your craft. It's a lifelong journey.
If you can do that, it will serve you so well in every single area of your life.
Where focus goes, energy flows, baby. What you pay attention to is what you will get. And the more attention you give something, the more you feed it, the stronger and more powerful that thing grows. You need to face, master, and channel your obsessions into an engine of massive, energized momentum for the success you desire.
You can be who you want to be. You can do what you want to do. See what you want to see. It's all in your power and no one else's. Go out and get it. If you get knocked down, get back up again. You can never fail if you never give in.
If you stick with it, stay with it, become obsessed with it, feed it every day, I guarantee you, possibilities will take place.